So you want to know how to control when something is allowed to happen. That's exactly what gate node does. Now, why use it? Because sometimes you need to turn off and on an execution. It's like a wall. Open the gate, things flows. Close the gate, nothing gets through. So to demonstrate that, I will use this node here and how to call it. First of all, just right click and type in gate and you can see it here like this. So you can call it like this and I will just delete it for now because we already have one. And then I will connect the event tick node execution pin into enter. The enter node is some place is where you will connect from where you need the data to come in. And then the exit pin is what you need to execute after this. So we will type in print string because that's the only thing we are going to do for now. And we will type hello. So now the gate is closed from beginning. We need to open it. So we will just click delay and I will set a timer of around 2.5 seconds and then connect the execution pin into open. Now it will open it right after 2.5 seconds, but before this, nothing will happen. And to see this in action, we'll just compile the code and then we will play it. And as you can see, nothing is happening. And we will wait for 2.5 seconds, then it just started printing hello. Now, one more thing. We can do one more thing, which is toggle. If it's open, you want it to close and if it's closed you want it to open just like doing for the door. So I will just connect it to toggle. Now as it's already off from the starting, it will just close, I mean it will just open, sorry. So we will just compile the code and then we will start the execution pin and nothing will happen for 2.5 seconds, but after that it's just say hello. And to continue toggle, what we will do is we will take a delay node from here and set it for like 2 seconds and then we will just connect the completed pin into toggle. Now what will happen is, and just make it somewhat nice, and if you don't know how to do it, you just double tap on it on the execution line and you will get the reroute node, or you can just search for reroute node, but this is way simpler and way easier. So for now we just connected a 2 second thing. So what will happen this time is you will see in action. So for 2.5 seconds we have nothing and then it says started saying hello. But after 2 seconds, the toggle pin fired and the print string just get off and it didn't fire again because now it doesn't have the timer restarting and this flow was stopped. So to see that again, and we will see this time in action what happens. I just started play and as you can see the timer is running and as soon as it's over, it just start here and just toggle off. So you get the idea how to use it and you can decide whether to start from being closed or open, and you know how to use open, you know close, and you know the toggle. Now you will use the gate node when you want to control the flow, like enabling stamina drain only while sprinting, letting enemy attack only when in range, or starting or stopping a music on a trigger. So these are the use case scenario you can use this node into. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.